Well, good morning everybody and welcome back to another video. This one's a little bit different. She knows we're going out, don't you, darling? You know we're going out, don't you? And yes, we are going out. So it's recently been my birthday, and there's one thing on my bucket list that I've always wanted to do. Should you? I'm going to a cat cafe today, and Mummy's joining me. So we are actually heading all the way up to Durham to go to this cat cafe. I've only been Durham once, and my mum's not been at all. So we're going to take you with us and go see some adorable little kitties. So let's hop on the bus. We're all dressed. The sun, is beaming. So where are my sunnies? So let's go.
Bond cat, cat from Cats and Dogs, Stuart Little.
Funny thing is, we know a gentleman called Stuart Little.
Oh
yeah, yeah.
Like an actual
An actual person.
An actual man.
That's mad.
Yeah,
I was gonna say.
Alfie. Oh.
He's such a little softie.
Hi.
I just like really want to have that. And for people that don't look molly, it would be like.
Careful, very gently.
Oh, tickle tickle.
No worries. Just a really quick house rules, so feel free to go around and stroke.
No,
We are booked up until.
What's on there?
You gonna get it? That's on a bit more now.
Up until 4:30. Yeah, so sorry about that.
Thank you.
Thank you. He scared me before. There was a lady came in with a wheelchair and he just like fully jumped on top of her. And I was like, oh my god, are you okay? And she's like, yeah, I'm loving it. I was like, oh, okay. I was like, Poncho, why did you do that?
Yeah.
Do you want to try?
I've got more.
Look how pretty
Sit
this
down.
one is.
No, he's come back.
It's my check. Yeah, no problem. Yeah. I've got more. I've got more, yes. Yeah, right on there.
Poncho.
Who wants it most?
Poncho.
Who wants it most?
You do.
Come on then.
What do you think, Matt? Come.
No, he says I'm not going to do that.
Coming up.
Do you want
There
some?
you go.
No. Okay.
I've got more.
Beautiful boy.
Finish all heavy.
Come on then, fluff ball.
Yeah, he'll never say no to a treat. That's how we know if someone's like if you repeat, but it's called he makes
hurts.
the slowest biscuit.
It hurts.
It hurts. So it hurts. The kneading thing, yeah.
Only when you don't clip the claws either.
Oh yeah.
Hi, darling. Oh, you are a beautiful. Oh my god, you are so soft. You are a beautiful ragdoll. I got the neck. I got the neck. Oh, oh you're beautiful.
When he's just not yet.
You're beautiful.
Hello, darling. Oh, yes, yes, yes. See? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Sweetheart. Oh, very nice. I'm sorry if I was He just wants to lie down.
Oh, okay. He went to bite me.